S-X1 Professional 5G GPS Drone 8K, 4K Dual HD cameras, 3-axis gimbal, brushless motors, built-in screen remote, EIS stabilization, mini foldable FPV quadcopter. Experience aerial photography like never before with the S-X1 drone, a powerful and compact quadcopter built for content creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts. Featuring an ultra-clear 8K front camera, 4K bottom camera, 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, and advanced ICE, electronic image stabilization, the S-X1 delivers stunningly smooth footage and cinematic shots from any angle. With an integrated remote control screen, GPS smart flight modes, and brushless motor power, this drone is designed to be both user-friendly and performance-packed, perfect for beginners and pros alike. 8K front plus 4K bottom dual cameras capture every angle. The S-X1 is equipped with a front-facing 8K UHD camera and a 4K secondary camera on the bottom. Combined with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and ICE, your footage stays sharp, steady, and cinematic, even during fast movements or windy conditions. Checkmark front 8K HD camera for high-resolution photography. Checkmark bottom 4K camera, ideal for vertical shots or landing views. Remote-controlled camera angle adjustment. Checkmark 110 degrees wide-angle lens. Capture more in every frame. Checkmark electronic image stabilization, reduces shaking and blurring. Checkmark gesture photo and video control, shoot with just a hand signal. TV built-in screen remote control, no smartphone needed. Take full control without the need to connect your phone. The S-X1's remote includes a built-in display, giving you real-time FPV video transmission via 5G Wi-Fi. Live camera view directly on the remote screen. Movie camera record and store photos, videos, with SD card. Checkmark user-friendly controls for fast setup and flying. Perfect for creators on the go who want to fly instantly, without pairing apps or using extra devices. Satellite GPS Smart Flight plus optical flow, easy and precise flying. The S-X1 is equipped with GPS satellite positioning for enhanced flight stability and intelligent features that make flying easier and safer than ever. Smart flight modes include Auto Return to Home, RTH, triggered by low battery or lost signal. Waypoint mode, set a flight path via the app. Orbit mode, circle a target point automatically. Follow Me mode, the drone tracks your movement. Gesture control, start recording or take photos with hand gestures. Optical flow sensor, stable hovering even without GPS. Brushless motors plus anti-shake gimbal, smooth, quiet and durable. Powered by high-efficiency brushless motors, the S-X1 offers a quieter flight, longer motor life, and more stable performance, even in windy conditions. The 3-axis gimbal gives you unmatched video stability during action shots, turns, or elevation changes. Less vibration, more control. Strong wind resistance. Minimal maintenance required. Long flight time. Modular battery for up to 25 minutes. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge thanks to the high-capacity modular lithium battery. Designed for safety, fast charging, and easy replacement. Extended flight sessions with optional spare batteries. Charging time, approximately 3 to 4 hours. Battery status monitored via the remote display. What's in the box? One S-X1 drone, foldable design. One built-in screen remote controller. One rechargeable modular battery. One USB charging cable. 4 spare propellers. One screwdriver. One user manual. One carrying case, optional in bundle. Technical specifications. Front camera 8K UHD HD camera. Bottom camera 4K wide-angle camera. Gimbal 3-axis mechanical plus ICE anti-shake. Field of view 110 degrees wide-angle. Motors brushless. Quiet and efficient. GPS yes. With optical flow sensor. Max flight time up to 25 minutes. Control range up to 1.2 km. With 5G Wi-Fi, storage SD card required, not included, folded size compact and portable. App control yes. iOS and Android compatible. Why choose the S-X1 drone? Dual 8K and 4K cameras for stunning multi-angle shots. 3-axis gimbal and ICE for smooth, pro-level video. Built-in screen controller. Fly without a phone. GPS with intelligent flight modes. Brushless motors for quiet, powerful performance. Lightweight, foldable, and travel-friendly. Beginner-friendly controls with pro-grade features.